Affiliate Marketing 101. How to start earning passive income. Affiliate marketing has emerged as an extraordinarily lucrative avenue for generating passive income through the vast expanse of online channels. In this meticulously crafted, comprehensive, and deeply immersive guide, our commitment extends to furnishing you with an all-encompassing understanding of affiliate marketing. We embark on a journey that spans the gamut from its foundational bedrock to the echelons of advanced strategies. Irrespective of whether you are a neophyte taking your maiden steps into the labyrinthine realm of affiliate marketing, or a seasoned virtuoso seeking to chisel and refine your pre-existing knowledge, rest assured that this guide is poised to be your vade mecum, arming you with the profound insights indispensable for not merely survival, but flourishing within this ever-evolving crucible of online commerce. The fundamental core of affiliate marketing at its nucleus, affiliate marketing pivots upon the simple yet potent premise of promoting external products or services, in turn for an honorable commission for each consequential sale or desired action, all facilitated through your exclusive affiliate link. This interdependent symbiosis orchestrates a harmonious ballet, conferring benefits to both the affiliate marketer and the business entity, culminating in a harmonious crescendo of augmented sales and overall revenue. The myriad facets of affiliate marketing advantages behold the realm of affiliate marketing, where advantages are as diverse as they are bountiful. An invitingly low entry threshold beckons with its paltry startup requisites, effortlessly circumventing the labyrinthine mazes of product creation. Yet, perhaps the most beguiling allure lies in the tantalizing promise of residual income, spanning continents and time zones alike. Artistry and niche selection. A precursor to success bestowing upon the act of choosing a niche the reverence it commands, we uncover its pivotal role in scripting your victory tale. A judicious alignment of your passions and interests with your chosen niche not only strikes a delicate equilibrium between demand and competition but also safeguards you from the relentless waves of market saturation. The arcane quest for credible affiliate programs. Beneath the ebb and flow of your affiliate journey lies the quest for reputable affiliate programs, harmonizing seamlessly with your meticulously selected niche. Through a discerning lens, dissect these programs, elevating those that flaunt alluring commissions, impeccable product portfolios, and tracking mechanisms that might as well be impervious. Crafting your digital footprint. An exercise in finesse erecting an imposing digital edifice constitutes the cornerstone of your affiliate exploits. Be it the resplendent facade of a website, the narrative tapestries of a blog, or the vivacious camaraderie nurtured across social media realms, your charge is to consistently conjure content that both beguiles and engrosses your intended audience. Crafting exemplary content. The audience enchanter emblazoned upon the banner of affiliate marketing is the dictum that content is sovereign. Nurturing this sovereign, your creative efforts are imbued with scrupulous research, endowing them with the twin attributes of edification and engagement. Every piece is an empathetic discourse addressing the woes of your audience while simultaneously proffering credible remedies. The melding of affiliate links. An artful integration wielding the brush of seamless affiliate link integration is a mastery indispensable to preclude the obtrusive cadence of overt promotion. Honesty in unveiling your affiliations fosters an unassailable fortress of trust, where authenticity beckons like a beacon. The kaleidoscope of content formats. Dancing through the spectrum of content formats, a well-honed strategy embraces the diverse array of blog posts, the captivating allure of videos, the concise resonance of infographics, and the intimate conversations fostered by podcasts. Herein lies the key to serenading myriad audience predilections. Navigating the cartography of traffic generation in your relentless pursuit of amplifying content visibility, an atlas of strategies unfurls before you. Traverse the terrains of SEO mastery, traverse the byways of social media outreach, unfurl the scrolls of email campaigns, and perhaps, judiciously navigate the ethereal paths paved by paid advertising. The enigma of SEO in affiliate triumph. Embroidering your content with the gemstones of search engine optimization orchestrates a symphony of discoverability. This choreography involves deftly weaving relevant keywords into your tapestry, adroitly employing meta tags as brushstrokes of visibility, and orchestrating a tapestry of backlinks that fortify your SEO citadel. The art of fostering engagement and amity. The orchestration of a devoted audience mandates an overture of active engagement. Engaging in dialogue through comments, conducting symphonies across social media platforms, and dispatching epistles laden with insight, all harmonize to nurture a sense of fellowship and camaraderie. The symphony of analysis and evolution, regularly subjecting your affiliate campaigns to the crucible of analytical tools, unfurls the banner of refinement. By discerning the harmonies that resonate and the discords that necessitate alteration, your symphony of strategy attains the crescendo of optimization. Ascending the stairs of affiliate eminence with a flourishing blueprint ensconced, the journey unfurls towards horizons of amplification. Scaling entails diversification, proliferation into new niches, and the prospective dance of partnership with co-affiliates. Safeguarding against common quagmires, learning from the footfalls imprinted by others' missteps as sagacity crystallized. This path entails circumnavigating pitfalls like errant product curation, the treacherous quicksands of spammy tactics, and the inadvertent oversight of audience predilections. Navigating the tides of transmuting trends in the grand theater of affiliate marketing, the stage is often reset with fresh backdrops of trends and paradigms. Navigating this realm demands vigilance, embracing the newfangled affiliates that unfurl and dancing to the tunes of algorithmic symphonies, all while retaining your competitive edge. In summation, this guide serves as your lodestar, an unerring guide into the labyrinthine domains of affiliate marketing, spanning the spectrum from rudiments to the riddles of nuance. Armed with this arsenal, you are now poised to embark upon a voyage, one that might very well steer you towards the realization of your dreams within the enigmatic realm of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more engaging videos.